extra light. Penny sneezing. Hello, welcome back to my channel. Actually, I realized my brother told me I never say subscribe if you aren't subscribed because, sorry. Can't even tell that's Penny, but that's Penny. But my brother was saying, like, I don't tell people to subscribe, so if you aren't... Okay, yeah. Stop it. You're gonna fall. Penny. Let's see, sorry. Start over. I realized I never tell you guys to subscribe if you haven't already, so if you would like to subscribe and turn on post notifications, I would really appreciate that. Thank you. Today's video is going to be really fun because I finally got my first Labubu! Look at it! Thank you to my mom who bought it off my cousin Marley, so thanks Mar, I finally got my first Labubu. I wonder, I've never had one of these. Oh my gosh, where's helicopter? It'd be like that sometimes. Anyways, I've only unboxed Sonny Angels before. That was like my big thing on TikTok, but yeah, here are my options. Oh, my mom got, I forget, I think it was pink, so it might have been this one. I would love a yellow one. Honestly, I would be happy for any, but imagine I get a secret. Okay, this is the box. It's so cute. Okay, let's see if I can focus. Oops, of course it wouldn't be a clean cut. Okay. The packaging is so cute. It says, have a seat. Okay. Oh, stop it right now. It's purple. This is what it looks like. And Penny really wants it. It's so cute. This is what it looks. Wait, Penny. Here's a close-up. But yeah, it has a little keychain. I'm totally gonna put it on my bag. Unless Penny wants it. Say thank you. She literally has so many toys. But thank you for watching my unboxing of my first Labubu. Ah! What should we name it? Comment down below if you have like an idea of what to name it. She's so cute. Is it a boy? Is it a girl? I don't know. What is it? Who knows? But like it. Bye. I'll see you guys next time.